This video demonstrates how to reset the board of the LiftMaster Industrial DC Commercial Door Trolley and Hoist style operators, models JDC, JHDC, and TDC. These products are not for residential use. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. The procedures demonstrated should only be performed by trained professional installers and service technicians. Safe operation and servicing requires that you follow all instructions and safety advisories found in the manual. To locate a trained professional installer or service technician, go to liftmaster.com/locate-a-dealer. Sometimes, for troubleshooting purposes, you may need to factory reset the operator. This can include issues with external devices or locks, or when the manual steps to add or remove accessories become bugged. After a factory reset, the operator will auto-learn any connected monitored entrapment protection devices. If you are experiencing any issues with devices, it is recommended that you first disconnect them before performing the factory reset. Remember to install a bypass jumper if you disconnected an interlock device or hoist chain interlock switch. To reset the operator, enter programming mode. Press and hold the down arrow and stop button until the LCD goes blank, then release. Select System Settings and press Enter. Use the up and down arrows to type in your administrator password, pressing Enter after you reach the desired number each time. Press Enter again to confirm and be taken into System Settings. Once in System Settings, use the down arrow to select Reset Factory Default. Press Enter. Select Save and press Enter to confirm. The operator is now reset and will boot into the Quick Start menu to begin initial setup. By default, this process does not erase transmitters or Wi-Fi settings. Visit support.partner.liftmaster.com to learn more about how to get the most out of LiftMaster products with MyQ Facility.